Guys, today class I'll be talking about the forex pairs too, and also the code currency and the base currency. A lot of persons contacted me and they told me that they really want to understand what's going on about the currency pair, like or what's actually going on. So today class I say it's very important for me now to also give a small lecture or give a small brief lessons on the base currency and on also the code currency pair. And as I said in the forex market, we mostly trade the majors. We mostly trade the majors or the minors in the forex market. And to understand what we talk about the major pairs in the forex market, as I said, so let us look at small illustration here and some more examples here for me to illustrate to you guys the base currency and also the code currency. As I said, in the forex market, we're also going to have two currency pairs. We're going to have the first one. So in the forex market, the first one is called the base currency, and the second one is called the code currency. So the base currency in forex trading is when you are buying, and the code currency in forex trading is when you are selling. Like for example, like today, I've done a small illustration here. 1 euro to USD is like 1.80. So it means that for you to actually buy, it means that for you to use euro and for you to use USD and you buy euro, that's what I say. Well, this one is when you are buying, here is when you are selling. So it means that for you to use euro, for you to use United States dollar and buy euro, you need 1.18 United States US dollar to buy 1 euro. So that's why we say that what this the base currency is when you are buying in the forex market, and the code currency is when you are selling the forex market. So this is also another illustration here where another major pair, where let's take a small example of this pair. So for this pair, we talk about euro against the Great British Pound. As I said, the first pair is a base currency pair, and the second pair is a code currency. So the base pair is when you are buying, and the code currency is when you are selling. Like for example, we have to convert now 1 euro to Great British Pound. I made a small mistake. It's not GP, it's Great British Pound. So we are going to have GB. Yes. So 1 euro to Great British Pound. So it means that for me to use my Great British Pound and buy 1 euro, I will need 0.87 Great British Pound, that's 0.87 cents, to buy a single euro. And that's why I said euro is when this one, the first one is when you are buying, is a base currency, and the second one is the code currency, meaning that when you are selling in the forex market. Now let's also look at another simple illustration. Another simple illustration that we may have is also we may also have the euro against the Australian dollar. As I said, the first pair is the base currency, and the second pair now is the code currency. And I said now to convert now 1 euro now to Australian dollar. So it means that if I want to use Australian dollar and buy euro, it means that I need 1.76 Australian dollar to buy 1 euro. So as simple as that. So if you want to understand more, as Ella said, the first currency pair, so my key takeaway here is a simple word: the code currency, the minor, the code currency, the base currency, when to buy, when to sell. As Ella said, the first one is when you are buying the forex market. The second one is when you are selling the forex market. Very, very important. These are some of the fundamentals of forex that you need to understand before you can start trading, before you can start making a lot of money in the forex market like some of us. So in my next video, I will be talking about the asking price and the bidding price in the forex market. Thank you so much. Please like this my channel, subscribe, so each time when I make a new video, you are going to be informed as fast as possible.